Hello and welcome back to another tech tip tutorial. I'm going to be fast and quick on this one. I'm going to show you guys how to farm honey.
Ignition sequence start. Engines armed.
Welcome back, guys. So I'm going to be as brief as possible here in order to save some time, as honey's already at $1,000 US. So the first thing we want to do is we want to stake some tokens. So let's go to HoneySwap and let's just buy some honey. So let's go here. So I'm going to be buying $5 US worth of honey in this example, and we don't want to buy the whole thing as we need both currencies to stake, or I guess to pool. And we just want to confirm here, and then we go to our pool and we do this. Oh, there we go. And now we approve the honey. Alright, and I'm going to hit supply here, and that should have worked now. So as you guys can see now, I got the tokens in my wallet. I won't be able to see this as I haven't added the token in this wallet, so let's not worry about that. So I'm going to go back into the honeycomb and unlock my wallet and hit next on that. Alright. Okay, and now since I want to go into the honey XDAI pair, I'm going to hit farm, and we're going to farm daisies. Now we're going to hit approve honey, confirm. So now what we want to do is we want to hit this plus sign, hit max, confirm, and hit confirm one more time. And that's pretty much it. Now we're ready to harvest some honey. So I'm going to let it run a little bit. Obviously I don't have a ton of equity in this, so I'm not going to get a ton of honey. I will show you guys a real example here of me farming on my actual account. Just kidding. Once you're done harvesting, you hit confirm here, and then you collect your honey. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Bye for now.